Here you can see the remaining sandbags. Overnight, people were carrying the sandbags. There was a human chain here. People were passing on sandbags to each other. They were building the walls there. The helicopter was also carrying sand in big bags, and they were dropping it to reinforce the walls throughout the night, until around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning.
Right now it looks calm. The sun is shining and people are crossing the bridge, so we will also try to go back home, but water is still there on our street. The night was hard. We took refuge here in the school building.